So yung boto ko sa impeachment, boto ko ng Distrito 2 ng Maynila yun. At napatunayan naman yun nung nakaraang eleksyon, ako po'y nanalo muli sa ikatlong pagkakataon. Salamat po.
So, sir, dinidiktahan po ba kayo ni Speaker?
Never po. Ako sa party ko, bihirang-bihira kami magkita ni Speaker. Actually, nakita kami ni Speaker dito lang po sa plenary. Never po kami nagkakausap ng personal. Pero hindi naman dapat ka onion skin pagka nasa ganito kang trabaho.
Sir, ano sir, hindi diversionary tactic na isisi kay Speaker Romualdez so kung mga pagtuligsa kay Senate President Escudero sa antala sa impeachment proceedings?
Hindi ko po alam, pero as far as I am concerned, yung yung move ko sa impeachment, yun ay ayon do sa dikta ng mga constituency ko. Siguro kung mali yung pirma ko ron, baka natalo ko nung nakarang eleksyon.
Sir, ano naramdaman niyo po na sa ugong na may kumakalat nga pong resolution to dismiss po itong impeachment case?
Hindi ko pa nakikita yung resolution at hindi ko rin alam kung totoo yun o hindi.
Sir, tama bang i-dismiss ng Senado without holding a trial itong impeachment complaint?
Mandato ng Senado siguro na dapat i-hear nila yung impeachment.
Sir, ano pong message nyo sa mga senators? Message po sa Senate?
Well, hopefully, masimulan na yung impeachment.
Intayin natin kung ano ang desisyon ng Senado. So I do not think merong basihan ng sinabi ni SP Cheese Escudero, with all due respect.
Your message, panawagan sa Senado?
Just follow the Constitution. Wala naman nagsasabing dapat i-convict ang ating Vice President. Wala naman nagsasabi na dapat i-acquit, but the impeachment case is already there. And we cannot pretend it does not exist. And more importantly, we cannot pretend that the Constitution mandates that the Senate should constitute itself as an impeachment court forthwith. Nag-iintay pa rin po kami. I would just invite our good SP Cheese to focus on what could be done and to focus on following what the Constitution states. Above all of the rules that the Senate may want to come up with is the Constitution of our land. At ito po dapat ang mangibabaw. More than any Senate rule, ang ating Constitution ay malinaw naman. Simple lang naman nanumpa po kami when we took office to uphold the Constitution. Let us uphold the Constitution of this republic. I'm not a mind reader. I really do not know what the intentions of SP Cheese Escudero are. But based on what the recent decisions of the Senate leadership have been, I really do not understand. Ako lang naman to, hindi ko naunawaan at pilit ko pa rin inuunawaan. Before June 2 na yung reading ng Articles of Impeachment, we moved to the last session day. And nagtataka lang naman ako. I want to be enlightened and I think it would be best for the Senate to come up with a very, very logical or acceptable explanation to the Filipino people why they do not want to mind our Constitution.